Let's look at Odisha, and first let's look at Odisha in terms of the parliament. In terms of the Lok Sabha seat.
That will happen in Tamil Nadu.
1 minute.
Next is Tamil Nadu. 2026.
1 minute, gentlemen. Odisha.
2026
Let's
Tamil
meet
Nadu will happen.
Okay, we are discussing 2024.
So right now the Odisha numbers, gentlemen, let's get back.
Rajagopalan ji, let's not disrupt the broadcast.
Let's
We are
get back to the
discussing
numbers.
Odisha.
The Odisha numbers right now, BJP stands at 17, the BJD is at 2, and the Congress surprising gainer at 2 over here. Clearly the downfall is of the BJD massively in every region possible. Here the BJP already had substantial
Look at
advantage
this.
in 2019.
Look at this entire place, which is turned saffron. 2 seats, 2 leads for the BJD. And I want to ask a very serious question. Is this the projection of Pandian, VK Pandian, who was called by the BJP a Tamilian who was now being given the custody of the culture of Odisha? 1 minute, I'll come to you.
I will give a chance to Tamilian.
I will come to you. You just spoke. 1 minute.
Statement.
I want to.
One Tamilian and PM mocked the statement of Tamilian holding a key and like a robbery.
Gentlemen,
And you are enjoying that.
Gentlemen, 1 minute. Can I discuss Odisha? Can I discuss Odisha?
Please go ahead, ma'am.
A change in government is what we are seeing. Let's look at the clusters. Let's look at how people are voting in Odisha.
Okay.
I'll come down and
All right. So here basically we're taking a look at how the minority vote has happened. All right.
wait. There's a way to look at it.
So here is what we have, and Jay is going to help decode it further.
Go to other. Go to other.
Basically, two.
Go to other. Go to other.
Here.
Yeah.
Others is marked out over here. Everything else is removed.
Yeah. You go to Uttar Pradesh. That's where the clusters are actually telling.
All right.
Very good. Now
so
we got
here,
it.
if
Fantastic.
you see the
Fantastic.
different clusters that we have marked out, Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, Dalit dominated, large metropolitan, Naxal dominated, newcomers, rural, urban, tribal dominant.
Absolutely.
How
Now
do you
here's
see
where
them
the story actually pans out. Is a spider web. Okay, a spider web actually explains how each social grouping. Now these don't necessarily add up to 100, but these are different entities, different social groups in themselves. Look at the BJP's gains. Rural.
Maximum
Most,
seats
the
in
saffron
rural.
spider, you can see it's touching the most in rural.
15 seats that the BJP has got from rural areas. So the party that traditionally was called the urban Brahman Banya party
in Odisha,
is now
it's broken the
getting,
barriers.
not just Odisha.